is box number 4. And Brian, we did get your order, so you are on for the Jags and the Chargers. Here is box number 4. Checklist and the box top. Brian, you got in at the last second, and it looks like the first card is going to be yours. It's a base card, but up first for the Jaguars, Maurice Jones-Drew, base card. And that is numbered 51 of 299. For the Indianapolis Colts, rookie Anthony Costanzo. And that is numbered 221 of 299. For the Dallas Cowboys, we have a legend, Bob Lilly. And that's numbered 282 of 299. For the Houston Texans, J.J. Watt, rookie. Very nice rookie from Wisconsin, numbered 58 of 299. For the New England Patriots, 50th anniversary Curtis Martin card. And that's number 96 of 299. For the San Diego Chargers, we have a Vincent Brown Gold Leaf Rookies. And that is number 23 of 299. For the Minnesota Vikings, a Brett Favre jersey patch. Oof, that one hurts as a Packer fan. That is numbered 94 of 99. One more look at that. Yuck. For the Denver Broncos, nice looking Terrell Davis jersey patch. Some nice orange stitching and some white stitching. And that is numbered 3 of 25. For the San Diego Chargers, very nice looking Vincent Brown jersey patch. The on-card auto and silver Sharpie. Brian, very nice late second hit there, buddy. Very cool. And that is numbered 375 of 525. Give you one more look at that patch. Tampa Bay Buccaneers, we have a rookie autograph, Luke Stocker. And that is numbered 253 of 499. For the Buffalo Bills, we have a rookie Aaron Williams. That's an autograph. And this is numbered 347 of 499. And last up for box 4, for the Chicago Bears, we have a Walter Payton. Sweetness. And that is numbered 215 of 299. We will get this video saved, and then we will be up with box 5 in about 5 minutes. There are a few spots left, so if you want to get in another break, now is your chance.